These professional pruning shears are made with Japanese SK5 steel. They are coated with Teflon to easily slice through branches and small twigs without that sap sticking and gumming up the works.
Here's just a quick job cleaning up some decorative tall grass. This, I'm moving at real speed. This has not been fast forwarded whatsoever. I can just fly through the work. This has been fast forwarded, and you can see the before and the after. And cleaning out some dead growth from the previous season does a great job.
I like that the spring is completely housed in this piece of metal. That is a really nice touch. And they're super lightweight, less than a half a pound. Locking mechanism, bloop. Now it's locked. Move it. Opens. Having it spring open, that helps reduce fatigue in the hand, and I certainly like that. Whether you have some small cutting tasks every now and then, or you need a daily driver, in my opinion, this can hold up and will serve you well.